I'm going to show you how you can create your nameplate in Google Drive. So first you're going to notice that we have one slide here and it's Mrs. Nollner's nameplate. So you can see there's her name, her Twitter handle, her Voxer handle, her job title, the year she joined Exley, the college she went to, and then it just says I'm currently reading. So the way we're going to do this is you're just going to right click on that slide and you're going to click duplicate slide. And once we have a lot of people working in here, you'll see more than just one or two slides. You can click on any of the slides. They're all going to have that same template. So I'm just going to start by changing Nollner to Hodges. I'm going to add my Twitter handle, my Voxer handle. I'm going to change principal to ELA Social Studies IC. I'm going to change the year to 2009. Now for college, I'm going to delete the image that she added, and I'm going to go to Insert, Image, and then I'm going to click on Search the Web. When I go to this search box, I'm just going to type in the name of the college that I went to, Northeastern State University, and I want to use this one. I'm going to click Insert. It didn't go exactly where I wanted it, so I'm just going to move it and resize it so that it fits in between the words that are listed there. Notice that that red line keeps popping up. That helps me to center it. I can just keep playing with it until it's exactly how I want it. Okay, that looks good. Now I need to change my picture. So I'm going to click on Insert Image, and I actually have some pictures that are saved on my computer from when I was working on my Animoto recently, so I'm just going to use one of those. So upload from computer, it's right there. Hit open. Now that I have mine, I'm going to go ahead and delete hers. And then again, I'm just going to drag it and resize it. You can see that the picture was kind of at an angle. I'm just going to rotate, clicking on that round circle, and place it right there in the corner. And I think I'm done. So that's going to be my nameplate, and you can see you'll be able to display your Twitter handle, your Voxer handle, and then also you can use a dry erase marker. We're going to laminate these. We're going to print them on cardstock and laminate them, and then you can use a dry erase marker to add in what you are currently reading. So anyway, let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to help.